be learning how to merge two columns data, two or multiple columns data. So I have a first name and the last name. I need to merge it into one cell. So for that you can use a text join open bracket. So it's asked a delimit. What should be the differentiate between first name and this last name? We need a space. So I'll start with the double quote, give a space, give again a double quote, comma. Do you include empty cells or ignore? So we need to ignore the empty cells. So I'm just going to select true, comma. So we need to merge cell A2 with the B2. So close the bracket, hit enter. Copy the formula down. So now it takes. You can do n number of columns. I just did for 2 columns. You can do for n number of columns. How to add a dynamic sequence number to a data. So I have a data here. I know it is 8 in the 8 rows. Let's put sequence number open bracket. So we know 8. So I'll put just 8. Close the bracket. So now it has taken till 8. Say if you have a data for n number of lines, we don't know, it may be 1,000 or 10,000 lines. So I need to get the sequence number till the data, still where the data is there. So you can use sequence number. Okay, here we'll try to add a count a data, count a formula. Count a means it counts all the unknown blanks, which is not blanks, it will count all that. So I'm selecting the entire column, close the bracket. So we need to ignore the first row. So I'm going to minus the 1 for ignoring the first row, close the bracket, hit enter. See, now it's data. So if I pull the data down for a few more columns, it takes. I hope this was helpful. We'll be learning how to use the filter function. So I have small data here, the name, department and the salary. So here we are trying to find the filter the employees in the sales department. We just want to filter the sales. For that you can use the filter function. So we can put it anywhere in the sheet. So I'm trying to put here. So it says array. So this is the data. So I'm going to select the entire data. We can do a F4 function to log the cells, comma, so include. So what we are trying to include is sales, right? I'm going to select the sales column. Use F4 function to log the cells, equals. So we are trying to find the sales. Just any text, you need to start with the double quotes, sales, end with the double quote, close the bracket. So now you can see you're able to get the sales report here. So in case you want to get the HR report, you can type HR. So get the HR report here. We're learning how to use XLOOKUP. So I have small data here, product name and the price. We need to find a product name and the price for this product number 102. Let's start. So you can go type it as XLOOKUP, open bracket. The lookup value is nothing but we're looking this 1002, comma. Lookup array is nothing but we're looking under the product name. So I'm selecting that range. Do F4 function to log the cell, comma. Return array. Return is what we need to return is product name and the price. That is in the column B and C. So I'm going to select these two columns and do a F4 function to log the cells and close the bracket. We hit enter. You can see the product name is tablet and the price is 400. How to find a unique values from a column of data. So I have a fruit data here. Here you can see apple has repeated twice, banana has repeated twice. We need to get only the unique values here. For that there is a function called as unique value. Just type unique, open bracket, starting an array, just select the array of data. So this is the data we are trying to find the unique values, close the bracket, hit enter. So now you can see apple just repeated twice, showing 1, orange 1 and the banana 1. Hope this function was helpful. Thank you.